So I wanted to give you an update of where I'm up to in my challenge, a couple of trades that I'm in, and I also want to talk about something else which I believe is one of the most important things that you can do and think about when you're trading. Okay, so we're going to talk about that in a minute. But firstly, I just want to talk about the couple of trades that I'm in. Now, I'm currently in Euro JPY. This triggered yesterday. We've got I'm pretty sure this is overall bearish, okay? On the higher time frame, we've looked at the daily. We've got our break of structure here. It's pulled back, and I'm pretty sure it's pulling down off this leg here. So coming back to the 4 hour, this is why I've taken the sell here. Yes, it's probably a little bit aggressive, but as long as we can get to this 30% level, then we're going to be at break even anyway, okay? So we're in this one. We're also in Euro USD. Now, this one's triggered this morning. I actually did a market execution on this one this morning, entered at this point here. It's going to give us a 2.95 risk to reward if that trade wins. So we've got a couple of other things I'm just keeping an eye on. GBP USD is basically the same setup as Euro USD, so I'm probably not going to enter that one. We've got this trade here, our break of structure, moving average cross, and we're pulling back up here. I'm just keeping an eye on this. I've got an alert here to set that up as and when it gets here. Just have another look at the trade and see what's going on with it. NZD USD, again, same pattern really as Euro USD and GBP USD. So I'm not going to take another trade that's basically looking the same. And that's basically it for the trade. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. I've just had a look into my account. I'm just under 3% in drawdown. I'm going to show you the spreadsheet here a second. So my live spreadsheet's here. These are the trades from last week or last couple of weeks. We've got 1, 2. This was actually a loss. This was a win on my live accounts, but it actually stopped me out on HTMO. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. We're in 2 trades. One of these was split risk because it was basically the same pattern on a couple of different trades. So that's why we're down almost 3% on these 4 trades effectively. That one was a break even. Another thing I want to talk about in this video is the importance of knowing your numbers and knowing everything that you can about your strategy. Because I used to work in software, and one of those things that was part of my role was software testing. And I believe that trading Forex, from a technical point of view, is basically like software testing. You're basically gathering data, you're trying to find the holes in that data, you're trying to find out what works the best, what doesn't, and actually coming up with everything that you can see in this spreadsheet. Okay, now I've showed you the spreadsheet over the last couple of weeks. This is my testing journal, so we've got 268 trades. But without this, and without all this data, I wouldn't know that it's given me an 822% gain over 268 trades. I wouldn't know that I've got a winning streak of 6, a losing streak of 3, what my winning rate, losing rate, break-even rate. I wouldn't know what those numbers were without testing. And I believe whether you use this spreadsheet, another spreadsheet, or just kind of log everything. I mean, one of the other things I do is set up a Discord server, and I just put screenshots of everything in there as well. Or I have done in the past. So without this spreadsheet or something similar to this spreadsheet that's going to give you this data, you don't really know what you're up against. You're putting trades on. I mean, so many people, they take a strategy, they put half a dozen trades on. Most of them are going to lose, or most of them lose, and they write it off for a bad strategy, then go and pick another strategy and do exactly the same. Whereas if you tested 100, 200, 500 trades and put it through a system like this, you would know what those numbers are. I mean, I've got another spreadsheet that breaks things down even further, which I'll show you in another video. But without the data that I've got, or without the data that I've put into this spreadsheet, I wouldn't know that Euro GBP was my best performing pair at a 50% win rate. I wouldn't know that AUD USD was my worst pair at a 30% win rate. I wouldn't know my equity curve and what that looks like and what my winning and losing months were. I mean, all of this data is all going to help you verify that it's a good strategy, really help you to drill down and actually find out, we've got these losing months here. None of them are terrible. I mean, like a 3R losing, I mean, this this here. I've got some more data actually to put into the spreadsheet this week. But without all this data, you just wouldn't know. So as I say, whether you record data in this spreadsheet, in your own spreadsheet, or wherever you do it, just basically record it, test it, because that's my background. That's what I used to do. And without this stuff, believe me, you're never, ever going to be able to move forward because you just won't know what your numbers are. And without knowing your numbers, you're going to get frustrated with it. Trading is a frustrating business for anybody. But when you don't know your numbers, you're just not going to be able to move forward. Because as I say, this is my background. This is what I used to do. And all of this testing is going to help you, one, move forward with your strategy, two, move forward with your mindset, and actually help you to get results in the market. So whatever you do, make sure you backtest, make sure you record your results so that you know what numbers, you know what your numbers are, and you know what you need to do to move forward. So that's it for this video. If you want to grab a copy of this journal, there's a link in the description, and you can go over and grab a copy there, and I will see you in another video. Let me know if you like this kind of update video, or if you want me to do other videos or strategy videos or whatever. Let me know the sort of videos that you want to see in the comments below, and I will see you in another video real soon. Take care.